I had dreams of being a player, had them rolling in the deep. I would scheme for the affair like a mean conspirator. I deceived them when I swear. Before I went to sleep, I blew weed up in the air. Low in theory was in my ear, made it easier not to care. My heart needed remedial help, but I didn't see any medium for obedience. Then I started reading over the teachers of Jesus that led to me rethinking most of the meaning of freedom. I never liked to party, that gave me another reason. Hanging back on the Sabbath instead of rocking out with heathens. And walking down the aisle is a mark of my allegiance. Lowered underwater, being a guest was inconvenient. Gradually I see a difference in the demeanor from what I was reading to what I was hearing from the preacher. See, I was eager, I knew that being a believer is more than peering at a speaker from a bleacher. At the moment this hurts, but I would only see my friends if they was going to church. I wish I could've wrote it down in a verse. So much was changing, I guess I had to traverse a metamorphosis first. Registered for a summer of work with the church. Now I'm searching to seek and save the lost of the earth. Had me crossing the Gulf of Mexico for the purpose of sharing stuff I didn't even know I had to learn it. That was the trust then. The Hollywood question was kinda like a sponge, I would suck up information. Now I'm more practical and fond of hesitation when I'm drawing up a plan to ponder all my limitations. I know that God's my father and my father is amazing, but following his followers is consequently draining. I know it's not about them, but my mind is still debating. All the politics are monstrous, my confidence is fading. I know I should be waiting for the coming of the Savior, but I wind up channel changing, looking for what's entertaining. It's been a transformation over phases. God can take me from this place that I've been lately and can change me.